Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn fraction. This chapter already over, but for your revision I am taking again. So in this video we are going to learn addition of a fraction, subtraction, simplify, multiplication and division. So first we will start with addition. So our question is 2 by 5, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So before solving this, we need to know about LCM of denominators. Denominator, it means this one. This down one is called a denominator and up is numerator. Okay. So first we need to know about LCM of 5, 4 and 2. So LCM of denominators means 5, 4 and 2 is 20. Okay. So children, remember, whenever you wanted to solve different denominators, always you need to know the LCM of denominators. Then only you can proceed. Okay. So let's start. So now first we will write with denominators. So how to write? So first we will take this one, 2 by 5. Okay. So 5 and 20 is our LCM. So in the table of 5, when we are getting 5 fours are, so it means we have to multiply our denominator by 4. So same we have to multiply our numerator with 4. Okay. Now we will get 4 twos are 8 and down 20. So our first one over. Now we'll go to the second, 3 by 4. Same we will check. So 4 into 5 we will get 20. Okay. So same we will do. We will multiply numerator with a 5. And we will get 15. 5 3s are 15 by 20. And last is 1 by 2. 2, when we will get 20, 2 into 10. So numerator also we will multiply by 10. So our answer we will get 10 by 20. Okay. After solving this we will write these values. Okay. Now we will do the addition of these values, because now if we will see, if we will observe, we will get all the denominators are same. So before solving you have to do by the multiplication of LCM, you have to make all the denominator same. So now we will write 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20 plus 10 by 20. Okay. Now we will solve. So we will write all the numerator, 8 plus 15 plus 10 divided by 20. Okay. Now 15 plus 8 plus 10. Your answer will be 33 by 20. If you want, you can convert it into a mixed fraction. So how we will write? We will write 20 as it is. So 20 ones are 20 plus 30. So now you see 20 ones are 20 plus 13, 33. So you can convert it into a mixed fraction also. Okay. Now next we will see subtraction. So here is our next example. Subtract 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Again, if you will see, you will get different denominators. Here it is 8 and here it is 6. So for making it same, what we need to take out the LCM of a denominator. So LCM of a denominator 8 and 6 is 24. Okay. So now we'll start our subtraction. So before subtraction, what we have to make this two denominators same. Okay. So again we will write first one 5 by 8. So 8, 24 we have to make, means 8 3s are and 5 also 3s are, means both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 3. So we will get 15 by 24. Okay, now we'll see next one is 1 by 6. Now in the table of 6 where you are getting 24, 6 4s are, and up also we will multiply by 4. What we will get? We will get 4 by 24. Now check once both denominator are same. So now we will do our subtraction. So 15 by 24 minus 4 by 24. So 15 minus 4 by 24, and your answer is 11 by 24. This is your answer. What is your answer? 11 by 24. This we cannot convert it into a lowest form, or no need to convert it into a mixed fraction also. Okay, so your answer is 11 by 24. Okay, now we'll see one simplify. So children, our next question is simplify. We have to simplify 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Again we will check that all the denominators are different. So first we have to take out LCM. So LCM of 3, 6 and 12 is 12. Okay, so now we have to convert all the denominator by 12. Okay, let's start. So first 2 by 3, same, 3 4s are 12, numerator also with 4, so 8 by 12. Okay, next 5 by 6, again 6 2s are here, 5 2s are, so 10 by 12, and already in denominator in third one if you will see 12 it is there, so no need to convert, it will be same, 5 by 12. Okay, now we will write in this way. So 8 by 12 we will take this one, minus 10 by 12 plus 5 by 12. All the denominators are same, so we will write 8 minus 10 plus 5 by 12. Okay, so here if we will see, we will get 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, what we will get? We will get minus 2 plus 5 by 12. So when we will add minus 2 plus 5, when we will do minus 2 plus 5, what we will get? We will get 3. We will get 3 because always we are taking the bigger numbers, whatever it is, negative or positive. Okay, so here our bigger number is 5 and the sign of a bigger number is positive. So what we will take? We will take positive 3, means plus 3. So 3 by 12. Okay, so if we will convert it, what we will get? We will get 3 4s are, means 3 we will cut, we will take into a lowest form. So 3 4s are, your answer will be 1 by 4. What will be the answer? Your answer will be 1 by 4. Okay, so next we will see multiplication. Okay children, so our next question is multiply 3 1 by 3 by 1 by 5. So children, in fractions, out of all you will get multiplication is a very easy. Okay, in this no need of any LCM, no SCF, nothing. Okay, so let's start. So here it is a mixed fraction. First of all we have to convert it into a normal form. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, so 10 by 3 into 1 by 5. Okay, then normally what we will do? We will do the simple multiplication, 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15. Okay. Now again we will convert it into a lowest form. So if we will take the table of 5, we will get 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Your answer is 2 by 3. Got it? Very easy it is. Okay. Now next we will see divide. So our last is divide. It means division. So 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Now how to do the division in fraction? Okay. So 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So first of all children, you have to, means you need to know how to solve. Okay. So we cannot do division in fractions, we have to convert it into a multiplication. So for that what we will do, we will take the second number, this one, reciprocal of this number. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Ulta we will do. If it is 3 by 4, what we will do? We will do 4 by 3. Okay. So first we have to take, we have to convert into, before multiplication what we will do? We will convert this number. We will take the reciprocal of this 3 by 4 and it will be 4 by 3. Okay. So now rewrite 3 by 8 into. What is the meaning of into? It means opposite of division. Okay. So for that what we will do? We will take the reciprocal of this number. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? It will be 4 by 3. Okay. Now simple multiplication we will do. So 3 4s are 12, 8 3s are 24. Now we will take into a lowest form. So 12 2s are 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Your answer will be 1 by 2. Okay children. So in this video I have taken all whatever is there, whatever important parts of fractions: addition, subtraction, simplify, multiplication and division. Okay. So hope everything whatever I taught today is clear for you all. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.